Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add new categories to the pricerr microjobs theme, how to add a thumbnail here in this section which corresponds to categories. So let's get started. So first thing, I'm going to go to the admin side. I locate the jobs section here and look at job categories. We already have categories here, but let's say we want to add a new one, demo category. I'll add this new one here. Second step, I'm going to add an image that corresponds to that category. So I already have an image here. I'm going to upload it. Yeah, so it's uploaded here. Now I'm going to edit the home page because this widget is on the home page. We are using Elementor here, so we are using the Elementor page builder. We built around Elementor with our own widget, so this is the widget that comes with the pricerr theme. So we only have to select the category from here. You already see the category here and the image we just added. We update. I think that's it. We want to go back into the front page. We refresh and here you go. Also, let's say we want to remove the last one because we want to have an exact number of 8 categories here. So it's I think it's saved right now. Let's see. Refresh. Yeah. The same thing goes for the icon widget here. Only thing you need to do is let's go back to the admin side. You control the icons from this section. So this is the regular widget and this is the image widget. This is for icons, and the same thing you will do after adding your icon there. You edit with Elementor, obviously the home page, and you will be able to see there. So you select the widget, assuming that you have added the icon for your category. You select it here and then you update. So yeah, that's the entire process for adding categories and image for each category in our pricerr theme. So don't forget to subscribe for better tutorials, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.